Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a UBS bank account in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on ubs.com. Afterwards, you just have to simply take a look at this particular option that says open an account now. So over here, when you scroll down a bit, you are going to see that UBS offers you a bunch of different types of accounts. Like we have bank accounts in which the savings accounts, the current accounts are included. Then we have the youth or the students accounts, the children's accounts, and the cross-border accounts. So you just have to select that particular account that you want to basically open with UBS. So over here, you can also scroll down a bit and take a look at the additional benefits of the bank account that you want to open with them. So if you select the option of opening a normal bank account or the savings account, you will be shown other options as well, like the Pure, Pro, and the Prime account. So you just have to simply select your account and then tap on the option of open. Now, in order to open your account, you just have to first of all download the UBS mobile application, then simply confirm your identity with the help of the ID card or the password, and then you just have to activate your UBS Access app for login. So the process is very simple. You just have to download the application, fill out a form providing your full name, your residential address, your phone number, email address, etc. Then you just have to confirm your account with the help of your passport or your national ID, a selfie verification and a video verification. After verification, you can choose your debit card preferences, the savings features, and the online banking access. So once the application is submitted from your end, UBS is going to take some time in order to review your account request. After approval only, you are going to see or you are going to receive your account details, the IBAN, the debit card, and other features will also be activated on your account. So that's how you can apply for it. Thank you.